on TikTok every day for 30 days to see if I can go viral and qualify for the TikTok creator program. However, I live in a country that isn't eligible for the program. Is it possible for me to join and get monetized? Let's find out together. But before going into that, let me explain how I chose this golden niche. I was bored of searching for viral niches for YouTube automation and a TikTok creativity program. So I opened my phone to be entertained and searched for funny videos. Suddenly I came across this niche that was so funny, engaging and simple to create. I checked their channel account name is Funny Eli Mar. They have 4 million followers and 60 million likes, which is crazy. I immediately did some calculations. I found out that the TikTok creativity program pays from 4 to 8 for 1,000 views. Let's go with the minimum payment, and let's say this account is posting 2 videos a day. If we multiply the 2 latest videos they uploaded by 0.04, it will be $560 from 2 videos. If we divide that by 2, it will be $280. Let's say they only upload 1 video a day. 30 videos multiplied by 280 would equal $8,400. So I asked myself, it's interesting to create these kinds of easily get many views, but I have one question. Can these videos be monetized since we will be using other people's content to create them? I still don't know the answer to find out. I'll guess I have to try, but I think it can be monetized, because if it's not, why are these guys still posting consistently? By the way, let's give it a try. I will post every day for 30 days and show you the results, but before that, let's watch our competitor's video. Okay, music. So the creator is editing all the videos to make them look like his own. If you look closely, you'll notice that he's using the same entrance for all the videos as well as the same memes. Additionally, there's a text on the videos asking viewers to wait for the end to help with video retention. It's quite creative, and it's a way for him to brand his videos. This means that if you come across any funny videos that are gaining a lot of views, or if you think they're really funny, we can use them to make it clear. There are 2 ways to get this. The first is to use videos from Commons to ensure that you won't run into any copyright issues. The second option is to use any videos but edit them thoroughly to avoid copyright problems. Let's start by going to another platform like YouTube or TikTok and scrolling until we find some funny videos. We can then open them and use screen recording to capture the content. After that, we can search for funny memes with green screens on TikTok or YouTube and download them. Then let's open CapCut. In CapCut, let's drag all the screen recorded videos into the timeline. After that, let's change the ratio to 916. Next, let's add the text. Wait till the end, or any other message you want. For me, I will use "that's hurt." I think these words will make the audience curious about what will happen in every video they see. After that, drag the laughing meme to the timeline and remove the background using chroma key. Then let's adjust the meme to the bottom of the video. Next, we just need to make the meme start laughing when the video reaches the funny part. Additionally, we will add a watermark to make our own end.
Check this out.
Mama, what are you doing? Oh my God, it's coming off.
No, it's a joke.
It's not. No, it's coming off.
Off. We need to create a new TikTok account. Fortunately, my sister lives in one of the allowed countries, so I asked her and she said okay. Now we need to come up with a name for our account and create a logo for the profile picture. To create our logo, we can use Canva. It's simple. Just search for logo in Canva. Then choose a funny design and customize it. For the name, we can pick any funny name. So now we've created our account and learned how to make these viral videos. Then we just need to upload a